guys, this is Krista out here at Johnson RV. We are America's #1 premium pre-owned superstore, and I'm super excited to tell you about this awesome piece we just got in. It is a 2017 Leisure Travel Unity twin bed. Yes, so let's walk around the outside and then we'll head inside and check it out. First thing to note, you are on the Mercedes chassis, so you've got that 3.0 liter Blue Tech clean emissions diesel in here, 188 horse, 325 foot-pounds of torque, so plenty of get up and go in this little guy for being about 25 feet long. If you are familiar with leisure travel, then you're familiar with how they build, and that's what they're known for. They're built up in, I can't talk, jeez Louise. They're built up in Winkler, Manitoba up in Canada, and they are doing it right. Their stall belts and the quality control is really up there. So first to note, you are full body paint, so you've got 5 coats of paint on this bad boy, going to keep you looking new over long periods of time. You've got nice storage compartments up down below. I can definitely show you that in person when you get here. Nice big awning up above. You can either mount that into the ground, into the coach. Nice LED lights here for some sun coverage when you're out cooking outside. This is where the island bed shines though. Look at all this storage. I don't know if you can see all the way through, but this is a true pass-through storage on something that's only 25 feet long. So if you've got skis, snowboards, kayaks, or golf clubs, anything, or I mean wood, whatever you want to take with you, you're gonna have plenty of space to do that. Couple things to know, obviously you've got a backup camera, make maneuvering nice and easy. What's great about this here, and actually everything sooner than 2015.5, is you do have a separate bumper piece here. Instead of having to replace the entire back cap if somebody happens to bump you, you have a separate bumper. It kind of saves you some cash if you do happen to get in an accident or somebody actually bumps you. So this is the other side of that pass-through storage that we were talking about here. You can access this from the inside of your coach underneath one of your beds, which is nice. You can also store your table under here too, so when you're not using it, you can stow it away, give yourself a little bit more interior space. You've got a nice big utility center here. They do keep everything in one nice combined area here, easy to access, but I don't know if you can hear or feel. You need to come out and feel this in person. Really, it's an testament to their quality and how they build. Shore power cords here, Truma hot water heater, so you do have that Insta Hot. You can take as long a showers as you've got water. Let's go inside. Hey guys, welcome back inside this 2017 Leisure Travel Unity twin bed. As you can tell, both of your front seats actually do swivel, so you have seating for 4, which is great. This does go down into a single sleeper if you need it as well. But let's talk about the chassis a bit. First of all, you do have a hands-free here, which is really great because, again, you're not having to fumble with your infotainment center here. Everything pretty standard in this, not too many differences from the Mercedes chassis in the years past, but this does have stab jacks. So they're 2 big feet that stab down in the middle of the coach to help you from that rock and give you a nice stability when you're actually parked and out camping. A couple things to note, this is an ultra leather. It's a man-made leather, super comfortable, super soft, really great for those long road trips. If you look up above me, you do have some nice storage up above. Oh yeah. Keep in mind that these are solid. Again, it's hard to see quality unless you're actually in here, so come see me. You do have the Phoenix uppers, which really brighten it up in here. This is the espresso brown cabinetry with these Phoenix white uppers. There we go. Going to your galley area, a lot of storage here, extendable countertops. This is a Corian, so it's a nice rock. Again, Leisure Travel is known for their quality, but look at how beautiful curves these are. Lots of storage for being about 25 feet in a motorhome. All this storage up above. And hidden feature, your television. Can stow it away when you're not using it, pull it out when you are. Nice big pantry here. Check this out. You can take how inventive, so great. Leisure Travel is just brilliant. If you pan, actually follow me. Nice separate fridge and freezer. It is 3-way, so you can run off of your propane 110 or your shore power. Nice convection microwave if you like to bake like I do. I mean, I'm a bread fan too. Along with cookies, you can do all of that while you're here. Another thing that's kind of cool, I'm actually going to have you spin around. You've got a nice shower here that does block off, I don't know if you can tell, your entire front cab area. So if you did want some privacy in the bedroom, you can go ahead and do that. Super tall shower with that skylight. And then you've got your bathroom here with your toilet, your sink, and whatnot all in one convenient area. Let's get some lights on in here. Sorry. There's a couple things to keep in mind. Obviously, you've got nice, huge twin beds back here, right? Also, these two cushions, you can fill into a full king. Seriously, full king in the back. So if you're tall, or maybe you are like me and you sprawl out when you sleep, this is a great floor plan for you. Leisure travel, again, for the quality, 5-inch insulation in the ceilings, residential ducting. There's so much to know. Give me a call when you get a chance. I'd be happy to go over this unit or anything else you're thinking about. Again, my name is Krista, 503-668-5400. Bye.